What's up, guys? Welcome to Badudina channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my Miami experience. It was amazing, like Miami, you would imagine, right? I celebrated my birthday over there and recorded everything for you so you can see and just imagine that you celebrated with me. So if you're interested, please continue watching this video and make sure to hit that like button for YouTube algorithm and my birthday. First of all, I need to say I love Miami. It's amazing city with its own culture and its own vibe. I spent there just a few days, but I feel like I need a few weeks to really feel and explore the city in full. It has its own museums, nightlife, yacht, upscale dining, and of course beach. Wait, it was actually Miami Beach, not Miami. You know what turned out? It was a complete news for me that Miami and Miami Beach, it's two separate cities with its own police, departments, mayor, and all that stuff. If you think about Miami and yourself in a convertible car driving on Ocean Drive like this, think again, because parking in Miami Beach and Miami is not cheap at all. But you know what? I actually found a life hack for free parking, which I'm gonna share in my next video. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to get notified about the next video. I promise it's gonna be worth it. So usually I like to celebrate my birthday with many friends surrounding me, receiving gifts, and just sharing this wonderful day with people who are close to me. But this year, because we went for a long 2 months trip, we celebrated my birthday in Miami, and it was a different experience, but I definitely enjoyed it. So while visiting Miami, exploring all around all the different neighborhoods, we went to Windham Walls, Little Haiti, Little Havana, South Beach and Miami Beach, Design District, and so many different places, and so many different places more to visit actually. So I really wish that you'll have an opportunity to visit Miami on your own and explore and experience everything firsthand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I shared with you my Miami experience. I really hope you liked it. Please comment below if I missed something. Maybe you visited Miami and have some places to recommend me to visit my next time. I'll be posting more videos about travel and business in the United States, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button for YouTube algorithm and my birthday. See ya.